Hey, 1194 video. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video and show you my next step on my exhaust. On my other video, you saw that I had the BBK off-road X pipe and also the MIL eliminators to shut off the engine light. Well, these are the mufflers I decided to put on it. After hours and hours of YouTube videos, I decided that Flowmaster 40s are the best route for my car. I didn't want to spend the $75 a piece Flowmaster money for two mufflers, so I bought the $47.99 knockoff Flowmaster muffler. If you want to know where I purchased these, just click on the link below in the description down there and it'll take you exactly straight to the eBay page where I purchased these. But let's go ahead and get these things opened up. When I ordered these originally, I ordered the 2.5 offset, and they emailed me back and told me they did not have any of the 2.5s. So I said to go ahead and send me the 3s, and I'll be content with that. So here they are. All right, there's one, and there's the other. And these are complete replicas of the Flowmaster 40 series. Look inside there on one side and on the other side. And as you can tell where they welded it, it's got the flat piece here with a hole in the center. It has the angled piece of steel and the one that goes around this way with a hole in it. Just like the Flowmaster 40 series. But I'm going to be doing a video installing these right here on my car. It's going to be a BBK off-road X-pipe install, and also I'll be cutting the factory mufflers off and putting these 40 series on there. But I appreciate you guys watching my channel. Keep up for the updates. Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll do a before exhaust clip and an after. And thanks for watching.